Have you ever wondered how to draft an employment contract? It's a crucial task, often perceived as daunting, but incredibly important to get right. This process not only outlines the terms and conditions of employment, but also safeguards the rights of both parties involved. In this video, we'll take you on a step-by-step journey, breaking down the complexities of drafting an employment contract. We'll demystify legal jargon and help you understand the essentials. If you're ready to learn, let's dive right in. First, what is an employment contract? It's a legally binding agreement between an employer and an employee that outlines the terms and conditions of employment. It's a vital tool in defining the professional relationship, laying out expectations for both parties, and providing protection in case of disputes. Now, what's in it? An employment contract typically includes an array of essential elements. It starts with the basics, the names of the parties involved and the job description. Then there's the compensation, including salary, benefits, and any bonuses or incentives. It also specifies the duration of employment, whether it's for a fixed term or ongoing. Other key elements could include confidentiality clauses, non-compete agreements, and provisions for termination. Remember, every employment contract is unique, tailored to the specific needs of the employer and the employee. So, it's crucial to understand these basic components to ensure a fair and clear agreement for both sides. Knowing the basics of an employment contract is the first step to drafting one. Now that we know what an employment contract is, how do we draft one? Well, let's break it down into steps. First, identify the parties involved. This typically includes the employer and the employee. Clear identification helps to establish the contract's validity. Next, state the job description and responsibilities. This section should be detailed, outlining the employee's duties and role within the organization. Third, define the terms of employment. This encompasses the salary, benefits, and working hours. Clearly stating these terms will prevent misunderstandings in the future. Fourth, include termination conditions. This is important to protect both parties. It outlines what actions or circumstances would lead to the termination of the contract. Lastly, add a dispute resolution clause. This is a provision that outlines how disputes will be resolved should they arise. It may include mediation or arbitration procedures. And that, in a nutshell, are the steps in drafting an employment contract. So, let's recap what we've covered today. We've demystified the concept of an employment contract, underscored its significance, and shed light on its basic elements. We've also walked through the steps to draft one, from defining roles and responsibilities to setting out terms of compensation and termination. With these steps, you're now ready to draft your own employment contract. Remember, a well-drafted contract can save you a world of trouble down the line. Thanks for watching.